Hello students, how is everyone doing? I know the exam season is right around the corner and it should be very stressful times for you, right? You know what? When I was at your age, these times I used to dread. Parents used to say no more, going out, no more playtime, and you just need to study, right? So when I was at your age during this time, I literally used to dread this time. With so much stress happening, everyone asking you, oh, exam abhi hone wala hai na? Kaisi hai preparation? How you are going to do it? And all of this simply used to, be super overloading for the mind. But you know what? This is all perfectly natural. You will simply be awesome and you will do great. So just believe in that, right? And just be yourself. Most importantly, remember, none of these exams, none, not even the ones which probably you will write in the month of March, like for example, a board examinations, to probably as simple as probably your pre-boards or terminals, none of these exams, have the ability to actually tag you a success or failure. What is most important during these times is to believe in the hard work you have done over the last 1 year and just believe that, you have it all in you and you will do great. So, sari tensions chodo, just be yourself and you will do great. Just go on and rock it out there. Yeah, all the very best from each and every one of us at Vedantu. We are here to help you out and we are coming out with some amazing programs for you during this time. Stay tuned for that. Awesome. Bye-bye.